Right, guys. Now you have learned about trading. You have learned about psychology and all this kind of stuff. Let's talk about one component that is very important, probably one of the most important, and that is management of your money. So if I had money, if I'm a beginner, number one, I want to trade according to my emotions, right? So if I have $1,000, I want to take $100 and start from there, from that point onwards. But normally, if you find out that $100 is working for you, you're winning a couple of trades, and you're doing good in trading. This is what I want you to do. Let's say you take a $1,500. You start from $1,500, right? And this is how you're going to be dividing this money. You put $500 on the side. Now you have $1,000, right? Take take $1,000 and start trading with $1,000. Let's say you have $1,200, put $200 on the side and take $1,000. Now start from there. The first thing you want to do is you want to put 2% risk on every single trade. Start with some nice 10 beautiful trade. If you go with 2%, you'll have 10 different losses, 10 different trade to lose $200, but you will still have your $1,000, right? So you're not breaking your bank, but you're trying with a $200 investment. So that's one thing. And when you take $1,000 and you're putting in $2, 2% maximum risk, whenever you win, for example, you're winning 30%, which is now $300, you take $300 and you put it away. You throw it into the $200 pool. Now your $200 turn into $500. So your $300 pure profit. You started with an investment of $1,200 basically, right? And now you've gone up there. And whenever you're losing 2%, for example, you take money from $500 that you have now and you start again from $1,000. So you keep doing this over and over and over again. So it's going to take you 10 trades to actually lose. So far on the private, and that's why I tell you to join the private, I haven't lost 10 trades in a row. I don't think so. I don't even think if I've lost 5, or maybe safe to say that I haven't lost really 6 trades in a row back to back. I could have been canceling some of the trade, but saying that I've lost back to back all of them together, I don't think so. And if we use this idea of mine, if you really want me to do the heavy lifting, just join Discord, pay a little bit. I'm not charging you to break your bank or anything, but it's definitely going to be helping you out. And yes, again, if you still want to learn how to trade, also message me on Discord and you can get the 19-hour course. But to serve the purpose here, I've done my job. Guys, practice this again and again. I promise you, I keep saying this again over and over and over. This will work. 60% Black Friday sale, RSI divergence, daily time frame. That's it. Start here. Be a master of this. I don't even think in your whole trading career you will need to do anything else. There are so many ways I haven't even talked about. And if you liked what I told you, this is just 10% of my trading course. I just took 10% of what I taught there. And it's still going to be very effective. Now imagine getting the whole package. Think for a second. But anyways, this is not a video to sell you too much. But that's it for this playlist. Next up, I'm probably going to be doing how to convert $100 to $1,000 if I had $100. So maybe in the future, soon enough, that's the next episode I'm planning on. So make sure you're following, and I'm going to see you with the next one. I love it.